Why do 70% of cross-border payments take days to complete? There's a faster way with XRP. Sending money abroad used to be slow and expensive, but XRP is changing the game. Here's how it works. First, convert your currency to XRP using a cryptocurrency exchange or liquidity pool. Next, send the transaction on the XRP ledger, a blockchain technology that's super secure and fast. Within 3-5 seconds, your XRP zooms across the world. Finally, convert it to the local currency in the recipient's country. Boom! Money delivered in no time. So why use XRP? Real-time settlement means no more waiting days for your money to arrive. RippleNet's on-demand liquidity cuts out the need for pre-funded accounts, slashing costs and complexity. Plus, Ripple's protocol processes transactions in just seconds. And did I mention transparency? You'll always know the fees and payment status. XRP for cross-border payments, fast, cheap, and transparent. Say goodbye to delays and high fees, and hello to the future of finance.